Hey there, YouTube. Just got back. Whew. It is getting a little bit windy. Well, it could storm tonight. Huh. Well, I got the car is fixed. Found out what happened. One said it got loose, and where we placed the part on it, we had to get one more part before it's officially done. Yeah, beautiful evening. Whew. And my back is hurting because I've been cleaning up the yard when people litter. I've been bending up and down, and my back is. I need to take a. I don't know, but I cleared where we live at. Even cleared the driveway.
My phone, yeah.
Sorry about this. I better get going. Bye.